Hello dear students and doctors. Today in series Materia Medica Homeopathy A to Z, we will learn CANTHARIS. If you want to learn more homeopathy, then do subscribe YouTube channel Homeopathy E-Training, like and comment on video of MM's Homeopathy A to Z series. Now I use CANTHARIS for the genitourinary complaints, gastrointestinal problems and skin complaints in burns and blisters. Here I would like to share my experience. Many female patient comes to me with acute and recurrent UTI. In these cases, CANTHARIS gives wonderful results. Commonly, there is a burning pain during, before and after urination. The urine would be passed in drops and each drop would be painful. Patient बताते हैं सर इतना पेन होता है यूरिन करने के टाइम, पास करने के टाइम और पास करने के बाद. And sometimes patient says that pain is so severe that they have to move around in room. एक जगह पे बैठ नहीं सकते, इतना पेन होता है. And literally they're really dancing because of the pain, and that they cannot bear. And these all things we can see in our repertory. If you check the rubrics, bladder pain, neck of bladder, burning, CANTHARIS 3 marks. Then extending to urethra through burning also, CANTHARIS is 3 marks. Urine painful means urination painful is rubric is there. Then urging to urine, बार बार जाना पड़ता है, कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं और ऐसा लगता है कि हो जाएगा यूरिनेशन, तो ये भी CANTHARIS 3 marks. So there is a violent urging in CANTHARIS. While in a male patient also, we see that the pain extending to the testis and spermatic cord and up to the penis. And that is why we have rubric kidney pain extending to penis down ureters. CANTHARIS is a 3 mark only remedy. So there is a irritation in the glans penis. So usually we find children frequently desire put penis when they have infection. It's just an uneasy, uncomfort sensation. When in children you notice these symptoms, CANTHARIS is generally be prescribed. And that is why the rubric, if you see in a male genital, pain, glans penis, CANTHARIS 3 marks. And cutting to ureter, pain is also CANTHARIS. So here definitely we like to differentiate with the other remedy, like very common remedy, climactics erector. When there is a mucus in the urine, think about climactics. But if the pus is more than CANTHARIS, the patient comes with a loaded with a pus in the urine. It may be 100, 200 pus cells showing the urine analysis. We have given CANTHARIS very frequently without any dose of antibiotics, and the patient recovered with 4 days. Sometimes patient says that it acts more faster than antibiotics. Believe me, we have investigations. So here we have to give acute remedy with a frequent doses to relieve the patient as early as possible, right? So when the patient has to wait long time before to urinate with intense pains extending to urethra and gland penis. So climactics to be thought of the beginning of the inflammatory stricture. Now it also has a secondary action producing retention of urine in CANTHARIS. So CANTHARIS is indicated in acute cystitis more frequently than any other remedy. Very much useful in hematuria. Even the blood is pulses with blood. Think about Cantharis. Here we can also compare with equisetum. Now this remedy is given in a cases which are not relieved by Cantharis. You can watch my YouTube video on equisetum. In equisetum, less blood and less tenesmus and less painful than Cantharis. There is constant desire to urinate, sometimes with a feeling of distension in the bladder, and that is why the bladder fullness sensation, equisetum is there. Now most peculiar symptoms of equisetum is, as we all know, more urging when the bladder is nearly empty, and the less urging and less pain when there is a more urine. In Cantharis, there is a more burning, while equisetum, there are larger quantity of urine discharge than with Cantharis. Equisetum is an excellent remedy for enuresis. Now, Chimaphila also I am using very frequently in a cases like this. It produces frequent urination at night with increased ability. I usually give Chimaphila Q along with the Cantharis in acute UTI when the pulse is too much. It gives excellent result. Burning sensation runs throughout Cantharis. We can see patient have a burning thirst but no desire to drink. There is also burning and blood stain, diarrhea with the bladder inflammation, that you can get concomitant symptoms. This so burning pain, stomach, gastritis is also important remedy for Cantharis. Stool bloody rubric is there. Now burning pain we can see on the skin level also. Skin burns with intense pain and the burning and itching blisters are there. We all know this is very commonly. Globally we know that Cantharis is a remedy for burns. Many plastic surgeons are using pomades ointment for burns. Third degree burns I am using Cantharis in the burn cases when there is a severe inflammation and having a burning pain which is better by cold application, we use extensively. Here I would like to share a case. There are many cases, but this is a case of small child who came with a burns, and you can see in pictures after the few doses of Cantharis, the child had a burns in a Diwali, and the plastic surgeon has told that a screen grafting is required, and we have given Cantharis internally and locally, and drastically patient is improved and the patient was much better with only homeopathy, no antibiotics or no other remedies. So in minor burns you can use arnica is also one of the remedy. Urtica urens is also important remedy with a burning, itching and stinging sensation. We give this. Urtica urens you can give in a mother tincture. Causticum is another wonderful remedy for the burns of the second degree. And the causticum state will be burning, rawness and soreness. We all know that. And there can be a restlessness with irritability. It's a good remedy burns, and that's slow in healing. While Cantharis burning and smarting from salt are leading sensations. I use Cantharis successfully in hair fall. पेशेंट आके ऐसा पता है कि बाल निकल रहे हैं सर, हाथ में बाल आ रहा है, कोम करने से बाल आ रहे हैं, वॉशिंग करने से बाल निकल रहे हैं. Give Cantharis 30, 46 hourly. You will see the results in a few days. Externally also Cantharis I am using in hair loss or hair grow also. Cantharis, Jaborandi, Arnica Q equally 10 ml each should be added in 100 ml oil and then allow patients to apply twice or thrice in a week. It will stop and whole hair will also grow. It will reduce the dandruff also. It is helping in a premature graying of hair also. I am successfully using this remedy in bladder affections, burns, dysentery, eczema, gastritis, herpes, urine problems and skin disease. So once again, thank you very much for listening. Do subscribe and do learn. Thank you.